Talk to Voltus.
Alright, getting the test version of Voltus.
Greetings.
What is the current temperature setting?
Sure. Can you please share the location of the HVAC unit?
Mumbai.
Thermostat is set at 21 degrees Celsius.
Can you please run diagnosis?
On which HVAC unit should I run the diagnostics?
Pune.
Executing diagnostics on HVAC unit in Pune. Do you want me to email the report?
Yes.
Okay. I will email the report once the diagnosis is completed.
What is the maintenance window?
Sure. Can you please provide the HVAC unit location?
Mumbai.
Filter for HVAC unit in Mumbai was previously cleaned on May 1, 2018. The next maintenance visit is set for August 10, 2018.